All right, Everett, what's that?
A boat.
Who made it?
You did.
Yeah? What did I make it out of?
A boat.
Tell me, how did I make it?
By paper.
That's what I made it out of. How did I make it?
By following the instructions.
Yeah. Did I do a good job?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Are you going to keep it?
Yes.
Are you going to try and float it in the bathtub?
Uh-huh.
And if it sinks, then what?
It's going to get all wet.
Right, but how will you feel if it sinks?
Sad.
Really?
Yes.
Well, you do know that it's going to get all wet, right?
Yes.
And when paper gets wet, what does it do?
Sink.
That's right. So go ahead and expect that it's going to sink, and if it doesn't, be really happy.
It is paper.
It is paper. Are you going to get the paper wet?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Do you like your little boat?
Uh-huh.
Do you know it doubles as a hat?
No.
You want to go float it, don't you?
Yes.
Do you want to say anything to anyone?
I think I don't.
No?
No.
Okay. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody.
I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Say I'm cute as a button.
I'm as cute as a button.
Is that funny?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right.
When you say as cute as a button, then it makes all of the people laugh at each other. And they say, I'm as cute as a button.
Yeah.
And then all the people laugh.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.